Crafting your personal development plan, a step-by-step guide image source. AI-generated personal development plans are powerful tools for shaping your future and achieving your goals. You can use these plans to identify areas for growth, set clear objectives, and create a roadmap for self-improvement. Whether you're looking to advance your career, enhance your skills, or boost your overall well-being, a personal development plan can guide you toward success. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to craft your own personal development plan. You'll discover what a personal development plan is, how to create one that works for you, and ways to put it into action. We'll also cover how to measure your progress and adjust your plan as needed. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to start your journey of continuous growth and self-improvement. Understanding personal development is a lifelong journey of self-improvement and growth. It involves actively pursuing knowledge, skills, and experiences that enhance your well-being, abilities, and potential. By engaging in personal development, you can unlock numerous benefits that positively impact various areas of your life, including relationships, career, and overall fulfillment. What is personal development? Personal development refers to activities designed to improve your talents, potential, employability, and even wealth. It's about consciously making an effort to become the best version of yourself. This process requires dedication and awareness to keep up with life's natural ebbs and flows. Personal development isn't limited to a specific timeline. Instead, it's an ongoing journey that continues throughout adulthood. Benefits of personal growth. Investing in personal growth can lead to numerous advantages. Improved self-confidence. As you acquire new knowledge and skills, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. Enhanced emotional well-being. Developing emotional intelligence and self-awareness allows you to cultivate healthier coping mechanisms. Greater clarity and purpose. Personal growth helps you gain clarity about your values, passions, and life goals, leading to a more fulfilling life. Improved relationships. As you develop communication skills and empathy, you can establish deeper connections with others. Increased resilience and adaptability. Personal growth equips you with tools to tackle adversity and navigate change effectively. Enhanced professional growth. By investing in personal development, you can acquire new skills, improve productivity, and expand your knowledge base. Key areas for improvement when focusing on personal development. Consider these key areas: self-awareness. Develop a deeper understanding of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This allows you to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions. Goal setting. Learn to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. This provides direction and motivation for your personal growth journey. Continuous learning. Embrace lifelong learning by reading books, attending workshops, or seeking mentorship. This helps you stay current and expand your knowledge. Emotional intelligence. Work on recognizing and managing your emotions, as well as understanding others' feelings. This can improve your relationships and decision-making skills. Time management. Develop strategies to prioritize tasks and use your time effectively. This can increase productivity and reduce stress. Communication skills. Enhance your ability to express yourself clearly and listen actively. This can improve both personal and professional relationships. Physical health. Focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle through proper nutrition, exercise, and self-care. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. By focusing on these key areas, you can create a comprehensive personal development plan that addresses various aspects of your life. Remember, personal growth is an ongoing process, and it's essential to regularly reassess your goals and progress as you continue on your journey of self-improvement. Creating a personal development plan is a crucial step in your journey of self-improvement. It helps you focus your goals, map out a path to achieve them, and track your progress along the way. Let's explore the key components of crafting an effective personal development plan. Self-assessment. The first step in creating your personal development plan is to assess your current state. This involves reflecting on your skills, values, strengths, and areas that need improvement. Start by listing your top 5 skills, values, and strengths. Then, identify 5 areas where you feel you need to grow. This self-reflection will help you gain clarity on your starting point and where you want to go. To make this process more structured, you can use a SWOT analysis. This tool helps you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By understanding these aspects, you can better plan your personal development journey and anticipate potential challenges. Goal setting. Once you've completed your self-assessment, it's time to set your goals. Your personal development plan should include both short-term and long-term goals. When setting these goals, it's essential to use them to ensure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART framework, for example, instead of setting a vague goal like improve my communication skills, you could set a SMART goal such as complete a public speaking course and deliver a 10-minute presentation to my team by the end of the quarter. This approach makes your goals clear, actionable, and easier to track. Action planning. With your goals in place, the next step is to create an action plan. This plan outlines the specific steps you'll take to achieve your goals. Your action plan should include a clear list of tasks or activities, a timeline for completing each task, resources you'll need, e.g., books, courses, mentors, potential obstacles, and strategies to overcome them. Remember to break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This approach makes your goals less overwhelming and helps you maintain motivation throughout your journey. Personal development plan example and template to help you get started. Here's a simple template for your personal development plan. Goal. State your SMART goal. Motivation. Why is this goal important to you? Required skills. List the skills you need to achieve this goal. Action steps. List 3 to 5 specific actions you'll take. Resources. Identify books, courses, or people who can help. Timeline. Set deadlines for each action step. Measure of success. How will you know when you've achieved your goal? Using this template, you can create a comprehensive personal development plan that guides your growth and keeps you accountable. Implementing your plan. Now that you have created your personal development plan, it's time to put it into action. Implementing your plan effectively requires establishing routines, tracking progress, and overcoming obstacles. Let's explore these crucial aspects to ensure your success. Establishing routines. Creating consistent routines is essential for making progress on your personal development plan. Start by setting aside dedicated time each day for your growth activities. This could be as little as 10 minutes if you're new to personal development. Many successful individuals prefer to focus on their personal growth first thing in the morning, as it sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Consider implementing both morning and evening routines. A morning routine might include activities like meditation, journaling, or reviewing your goals. An evening routine could involve reflecting on your day, planning for tomorrow, or practicing gratitude. The key is to choose activities that align with your personal development objectives and stick to them consistently. To make your routines more effective, keep them simple and manageable. Aim for 3 to 5 tasks that take no more than 30 minutes in total. This approach makes it easier to maintain your routine and reduces the likelihood of skipping it. Remember, consistency is crucial, so to establish them as habits. Commit to following your routines for at least 30 to 60 days. Tracking progress. Regularly monitoring your progress is vital for staying motivated and ensuring you're moving in the right direction. Start by breaking down your larger goals into smaller, measurable milestones. This allows you to celebrate small victories along the way, which can boost your motivation and confidence. Choose a method for tracking that works best for you. This could be a physical journal, a digital app, or a spreadsheet. Whatever tool you choose, make sure it's easily accessible and allows you to record your progress consistently. Consider tracking not only your achievements, but also your emotions, thoughts, and habits. This comprehensive approach can provide valuable insights into your personal growth journey. Set specific times to review your progress, such as weekly or monthly check-ins. During these reviews, assess whether you're meeting your milestones and making progress towards your goals. If you find yourself falling behind, use this as an opportunity to adjust your approach or revise your goals if necessary. Overcoming obstacles. As you work on your personal development plan, you're likely to encounter obstacles along the way. It's essential to develop strategies for overcoming these challenges to maintain your momentum. One effective approach is to cultivate resilience. View setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth rather than failures. Develop a positive mindset by focusing on solutions instead of dwelling on problems. Practice self-compassion when facing difficulties. treating yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. When obstacles arise, break them down into smaller, manageable parts. This can make them feel less overwhelming and easier to tackle. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or mentors when you need guidance or encouragement. Remember that personal growth takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself throughout the process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. By consistently working on your personal development plan and addressing challenges as they arise, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and becoming the best version of yourself. Measuring success and adjusting your plan. Measuring success and adjusting your personal development plan is crucial to ensure you're making progress towards your goals. This process involves evaluating outcomes, celebrating achievements, and refining your objectives as needed. Evaluating outcomes to measure the success of your personal development plan. It's essential to review your activities regularly. Setting aside time allows you to assess your progress without losing momentum. This consistent evaluation helps you prioritize your development activities and keeps you on track. Every quarter, when evaluating outcomes, ask yourself, have I made progress towards my goals? What challenges have I faced? Are my current goals still relevant and inspiring? If you find that you're not making the progress you expected, don't be discouraged. Use this as an opportunity to adjust your approach or revise your goals if necessary. Celebrating achievements. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, is a vital part of the personal development process. It serves as and encourages you to continue tracking your progress. When you acknowledge your accomplishments, self-rewarding mechanism boost your confidence and motivation, reinforce positive behaviors, create a sense of progress and momentum. Remember that not all achievements are quantifiable. Some goals may be about how you feel or the personal growth you've experienced. Take time to reflect on these less tangible but equally important successes. Refining goals. As you progress on your personal development journey, you may find that your initial goals need refinement. This is a natural part of the process and should be embraced. To refine your goals effectively, review your personal development plan annually. Assess whether your current goals still align with your values and aspirations. Consider new opportunities or challenges that have arisen. Adjust your timelines and objectives as needed. Some people prefer to use the when refining their goals. The E stands for evaluate, and the R means redo. This method allows for trial and error, helping you adapt your plan as you encounter obstacles or changes in your circumstances. Smart your approach by consistently measuring your success, celebrating your achievements, and refining your goals. You'll maintain momentum in your personal development journey. Remember, personal growth is an ongoing process, and flexibility is key to long-term success. Stay committed to your plan, but be willing to adjust it as you learn and grow. Conclusion. Crafting a personal development plan is a powerful way to shape your future and reach your goals. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a roadmap for self-improvement that aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, personal growth is an ongoing journey that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to adapt as you learn and evolve. Your personal development plan is a living document that should grow and change with you. Regular check-ins, celebrations of your achievements, and adjustments to your goals will help keep you on track and motivated. To dive deeper into personal development strategies and find additional resources to support your journey, check out By Staying Committed to Your Plan and Embracing the Process of Continuous Improvement, you'll be well on your way to becoming the best version of yourself.